2-year free engineering program that normally transferred to the University of Minnesota, so it's a very appropriate for their program. You can see the drag brake that we created. The cool thing was that we actually used one of the tunnels at the University of Minnesota. University of Minnesota entered the contest but didn't make the cut, so I'm always happy to say that. There's the rover that we loaded in the vehicle. And once the rocket was deployed, then the rover had to come out and wander around. There's one of the test flights that we made in, I guess it was early January, when it was about 10 degrees below zero in Minnesota. One of the problems that we had with the initial rockets was when they would come back to Earth, they would kind of be destroyed. So one of the reasons we created the brake. This kind of breakdown of the system, created the electronics. We made several test flights before the actual flight, and you had to qualify in order to go down to Huntsville, Alabama for the actual launch. The goal was to win it. Here's some of the data from the wind tunnel that we used at the University of Minnesota to work on some of the drag coefficients for the rocket. The wind tunnel really proved a kind of an invaluable resource as a team put this together. Again, engineering students, typically second-year students in the program. Most of the people were transferring to the U or the University of Wisconsin, University of Minnesota, or University of Wisconsin. The other project we worked on, you can Google this, slapdrill.com, and this was an English teacher that had an idea. He's quite an outdoorsman, so he prototyped this thing called the slat drill, and he's actually taken it to market. We do a lot of work with helping foster Fab Labs, and here's a sample list of the Fab Labs that we've worked with in the past year to help launch Fab Labs in Minnesota. Kind of our goal for the next several years, hire 2 new lab techs, expand the focus. The major program is we're designing and building a brand new Fab Lab. So that's the presentation. Thank you.